Duck, duck, duck. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, you like the salad. Duck, 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 duck. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Chicken's gonna take it? Yup. Mean, nasty, vicious. So, the ducks don't like the box. Duck, duck. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. Duck, duck. Duck, duck, duck. Duck, duck. Duck, duck. Oh, come on. Why are you being so cautious? That one duck was getting upset at the chicken. Duck, duck, duck. Duck, duck. Why are you being mean to the chicken? Duck, duck, duck. Why are you chasing the chicken? Is it time for the chicken to go to sleep? Is that it? Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Are you nervous about the camera? You nervous about the camera? Here. Wah, wah, wah. There you go. See? Wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Oh, come on. Here you go. And they'll work their way back. Duck, duck. Quite enjoy the salad. When I bought my air compressor, I bought it with 25 feet of air hose. That was not long enough and difficult to wrap up. So, I bought a hose reel with 50 feet. Problem is, I want that compressor to be somewhat portable. So, I'm going to weld a bracket to the handle of the air compressor, drill a couple holes, and bolt the air hose reel to the handle. And hopefully it's strong enough to hold. It is fairly heavy. Somebody's already on the nest, and she's not having none of it. They're not good at taking turns. Well, we're getting there. Still have to put the roof on, finish covering these, cover the far end. But we've got siding up. Now we're going to run a fence from there to the corner of the house, from the far corner of the house back around, and let them play out here sometimes, not all the time. Hopefully get some grass growing back in there. So, got our main door on the right. We have the roosts, so chickens can line up along there to sleep, and nesting boxes. More than they should need. And we're going to have additional storage. We've got windows for ventilation. Going to add a ventilation fan up there, solar powered. I'm going to run LED strip lighting, probably right down the middle. Solar panel will be out on the roof over here. It will get the most sun. I've finished putting the roof on. We'll get a roof cap. This still needs its siding. Leaving that door open. We'll put a little door that opens in. The floor is probably going to get some linoleum. That way we can shovel detritus matter easier. And be able to clean all this out. Plenty of walking space for getting at stuff. I'll put the light switch and thermostat over here. So, those gaps, 2 more panels will cover this. Gotta fill in those gaps. And we get the side door onto more grazing area. And all their food will now be stored indoors. You know where you're gonna sleep? Work, work. Work, work, work. Boop. Are you gonna sleep up there? I got up, now you gotta come down. You gonna jump? Yeah. That's a heavy chicken. Thump. And one more. One more. Boop. I should put pillows down. They've checked it out. Got their nesting boxes. Still have to finish tops of those, but all the siding is up. Man, it's dark in here. Would you look at that? A whole bunch of chickens. Dark outside. We've got us some LED lighting and a whole bunch of chickens that are really confused what's going on. Go back to sleep, chicks. Night night.